This is Motorola Moto E32S, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 basically tips and tricks for this device. So beginning with the fingerprint unlock, I'm going to demonstrate that you can enroll your fingerprint and further use it to unlock the screen of your device. So launch settings, then enter the security category. In here, opt for the fingerprint. Then choose the backup screen lock method that you would like to go alongside the biometrical one. So I'll go with pattern. Then set the password that you would like to use. Then re-enter it to confirm. Then choose how notifications will be shown at the lock screen. Accept all the terms and whatever. And now you can start enrolling the fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor or scanner is located right at the side power key. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the sensor until it will be fully scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate it each time you do that, so the sensor will be able to scan the entire surface of your finger. Fill this little circle and you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and test this feature out. As you can see, I'm very easily able to unlock the screen with a fingerprint, and well, obviously the fingerprint scanner works just fine. The next tip is how you can change the screen refresh rate. It's a very simple thing to do. You will just need to launch settings, then enter the display category, and in here you'll have, in the advanced section, you'll have the screen refresh rate page, dedicated one. So basically you can either set it to be always 60 or always 90 Hz respectively. Long story short, higher value will grant you more motion smoothness and overall silkier animations, while lower value will significantly decrease the power consumption. You can just go ahead and set this option to be automatic, so it will be automatically switch between those two values in accordance with, well, its own algorithms, and in accordance with the current battery situations that you have, and well, so on and so forth. The next option is also located, that I wanted to show you in this video, is also located at the display category. It is called the Pick Display, or basically, to put it in other words, it is an always on display that this phone has to offer. So it is not customizable. You can only turn it on or off, and once enabled, let me show how it looks like. Already, so okay, so probably in order for it to be actually applicable to work, I'll need to disable the lift to wake feature, because it's just does not allow me to lift my phone and see my AOD or peak display, whatever. For some reason it does not show me that, and that's not the high-end phone anyways, so it might some things might not work properly or the way they were intended to anyway. But let me double check whether I have set everything correctly. Well, it certainly seems so. Already, yeah, so probably in order to show it you have to tap at the screen, at the display, not lift the phone, but that's whatever. So as you can see, even when the screen is completely shut down, you can see some crucial stuff like current time, or probably you have to wait a little bit, I would assume, for it to show, because on some phones this feature is being activated by lifting the device. On some phones you gotta tap at the screen. Yep, so it shows time, date, and the most recent notifications, so you can see certain important and crucial information without having to necessarily enable your screen or go to the lock screen. The next very small tip I have for today is how you can enable the battery percentage at the status bar. So simply go into battery category of settings and switch on this toggle over here. And fifth and final tip is a very cool shortcut for swiftly enabling the flashlight even once your screen is completely shut down and disabled. So if you would like to, well, have a little bit of light in some scenario and do not want to necessarily unlock your phone, you can absolutely do that. Just go into System category of settings, then Gestures, then Fast Flashlight, and turn this toggle on. Then once I will enable my display, I'll just have to make the chop movement like that, and as you can see, the flashlight or torch gets activated. In order to disable it, I have to make the same movement, and well, it gets turned off. Well, works like a clock, if you ask me. Alrighty, so that will be it not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.